Morning sickness is a lie. Who came up with that name? I was up all night throwing up because of my husband's shampoo. Morning? No, this is an all-day, all-night situation. If you're currently surviving on crackers and pure willpower, listen up to these survival tips. Step 1. Stop trying to be a health queen. Your body is in survival mode right now. Eat whatever you can handle. Beige food is your best friend. Bagels, cereal, pasta, all of it. Don't overthink it. An empty stomach will make everything worse. If organic makes you gag, forget it. Calories are the goal. Eat small amounts often, like every 90 minutes. And before you even sit up in the morning, eat a couple of crackers. Trust me, it helps. Just eat what you can as long as it's safe. Step 2. Your nose is about to betray you. Smells will come out of nowhere and hit you like a truck. I literally threw out my husband's perfume and shampoo because even looking at them made me feel sick. Have something nearby to reset your nose, like lemon, peppermint oil, body spray, even coffee beans. If water suddenly tastes disgusting, don't force it. Try cold electrolytes or frozen fruit instead. You still need fluids, just find a way that doesn't make you gag. Step 3. Drop the guilt. Seriously, you are not being lazy. Your body is doing something huge right now. You're growing a placenta and building a human from scratch. Of course you're exhausted. Sleep when you need to. I once missed a meeting because I passed out in the middle of the day. It happens. If your house is messy and you've been napping all afternoon, that doesn't make you irresponsible. It means your body is getting what it needs. Rest is not optional right now, it's part of the job. It usually gets better around week 13. Not instantly, but slowly. Also, what smell is ruining your life right now? Mine was my husband's shampoo. Share your morning sickness experience. I'm Stick Maam. Stay sane out there.